Oh! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna take the HPI Maverick QuantumRFlux out. I got a 4S battery in it. It's like a 5200 milliamp. I got the 6S Spectrum set up. I think it's like what, a 2050 kV motor in it. I made my own little fan, little 40 millimeter fan here. It's pumping pretty good on 3S. Got a balance lead plugged into the balance lead, and I cut the end off to make it a 3S so it'll fit on the 4S battery. Yeah, so we're just gonna, and I actually took these apart from the last video. I put 10,000 and 10,000 in the dips, and the center's still locked with the SpeedTek RC speed spool. I think it's a 42 tooth and a 22 tooth, somewhere around there, pinion. So we're not going for speed, we're just going for spinning the tires. See if we can drip this thing a little bit and have some fun with her. I did do speed runs with it. I think I've mentioned it before. Got 98 miles an hour, and it just, after that, it just, with this body, just wants to fly. Wants to take off and be an airplane. So we put it back to being stock somewhat. I guess not stock, because we're got a bigger system in it, 6S system in it still. But let's go see what she can do. See if she drifts now. Before it would just do donuts. That's all I could get it to do. I couldn't get it to go straight. But I had a feeling that might have been because I had the gyro on. I think that might have had a lot to do with it. But the steering is oh, it's got the power, guys, that's for sure. Hopefully you can see this. I know it's a little overcast again in the morning. It's early morning. It's a little dusty out here. Hopefully these are my old hoons. Just been trying to burn them up. So yeah, she drifts a little bit better now that I loosened up the diffs and turned off the gyro all the way. Oh. That's down all the way. Let's see. Oh, 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 oh. That missed everything, guys. I don't know how I missed that. Where is it? There it is, man. This thing rips on 4S. It'll probably rip on 3S too. I bet you that motor's smoking hot right now though, even with that fan on there. You can still hear the fan going though. Ooh, oh! Ah, pushing my luck, guys. Pushed my luck. Ah, pushing my luck, guys. I pushed my luck. Yeah, man. I ain't broke something like this on this car yet, so I'm let's see what we did here. Oh, Oh, I broke that whole hub. So I snapped that right off. I hit it that hard. I didn't think I hit it that hard, but this thing's taking more tumbles than that. So, oh well. Like I said, man, this car's been through a lot. It's flown, it's crashed, it's hit curbs, it's done everything, and I've never really replaced anything major on it. This is the biggest piece I've ever broke on it. So I'm for 300 bucks, you can't beat that. And I just had a blast with it right now, so I'll definitely be putting a new one on though. But that's 3 cars in 2 days now that I broke or something happened. So yeah, big forklift tires, they're just as hard as concrete as curbs. So okay, that's still there, so that's good. Oh, that probably bent though. We'll have to see. No, that doesn't bend. Okay, yeah, let's see if that's any good. I know I lost a bearing, one bearing there, but we'll have to take her apart and see what happened, guys. So there you go. Nah, motor's cold. Things doing good. So there you go, guys. If there's more, I'll let you know. We'll get some parts ordered back up and get out here again. These tires still got a little bit of life left in them. A little bit of tread. No tread. They're slicks, but what a blast. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and you all have a great day. All right, guys, after further review, getting it back to the car. Yeah, I broke the front one too. So they're all the same. We'll have to look up the pieces and see what I need, but I'm missing a screw right there, which I'm sure I have screws. I'm missing a screw on that one too. I might be missing bearings and stuff, so which aren't that big of a deal. They don't cost a whole fortune. Fan worked perfect, kept the motor cool. It was only 4S, so which was plenty for this little car. 6S I think would just be way hard to handle. Everything else seems to be fine. I must have smacked it dead center when I slid. Must have hit evenly and just snapped both of those. So we'll get a couple of those and get it repaired. I don't see any other damage. Shocks look fine. Everything else looks fine. So there you go, guys. We'll have to see if the dog bones or CVDs are bent or anything like that. They don't look like it though. So yeah, they look pretty straight. So there you go, guys. Please like, subscribe, and like I said, you guys have a great day. I know I did. Go out there and hit some curbs, guys, or some forklift tires. Have fun.